over 500,000 claims filed over Camp LeJeune contaminated water.
This is Dr. David Schein, and welcome to Business Law 101.
Anyone who watches television has probably seen an ad seeking clients who would want to pursue a claim under the unusual pitch that they could be sick due to the contaminated water at a famous U.S. Marine training base. That base is Camp LeJeune, North Carolina. The trigger is a law called the Camp LeJeune Justice Act, or CLJA. The law allows people previously exposed to contaminated water at Camp LeJeune to file a new claim with the U.S. Navy. The deadline of August 10th, 2024 has just passed. The time period for exposure is August 1st, 1953 to December 31st, 1987. Claimants would need to have stayed at Camp LeJeune during this period for at least 30 days. It is estimated that this could cover 1 million people. The claimants must have a diagnosis of one or more of these presumptive conditions, presumptive meaning that it's assumed that they were related to their exposure at Camp LeJeune's water. Bladder cancer, breast cancer, esophageal cancer, female infertility, hepatic stenosis, kidney cancer, leukemia, lung cancer, miscarriages, multiple myeloma, myeloplastic syndromes, neurobehavior effects, non-Hodgkin's lymphoma, renal toxicity, and scleroderma. My concern as a taxpayer is that this is such a long list. It could include many who are experiencing these conditions, but not due to the bad water at the camp. In fact, 546,000 claims have already been filed under this act. More than $21 billion is expected in payouts, and some families could receive settlements ranging from $25,000 to $1 million, depending on the severity of the harm from the toxic water, length of exposure, and other factors. Despite reaching the end of the filing period, resolving such a large number of claims will likely take years. In fact, I stayed briefly twice at that base during the period covered by the law. Fortunately, I'm not suffering from one of the covered illnesses, and in fact was not there for a combination of 30 days that would not be eligible. This is Dr. David D. Schein for Business Law 101. If you've enjoyed this episode, tune in again.